Come along, come and play. Balloon Festival starts today. Friends together, hip hooray! Let's learn something new today. We can make ours all by ourselves. Fold it here, tie it there. Oops, it floats into the air.
Learning something new can be tricky. Would you like to learn together?
Step by step, nice and slow, helping hands help us grow.
It's even prettier from up here.
When we learn together, we can reach amazing places.
Learn together every day. Helping hands will show the way. Big or small, we all can grow.